Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this absolutely beautiful 2019 Audi Q7. This is one fantastic mid-size luxury crossover of sporty handling. Very, very well received by the automotive press. One of my favorite automotive publications, Car and Driver Magazine, looking at their little overview for the 2019 Q7, they actually give it a CD rating of 10 out of 10, 10 being the best, so obviously very well received by Car and Driver. I encourage you to read their review on it. This particular example has very low miles, only 15,833 miles at the time of making this video. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year, so this 2019 in September, September of 2024 has super low miles. Most of the 2019 Q7s on the pre-owned market have 50, 60, 70,000 miles, so really, really low miles. There's a number of ways we get our pre-owned inventory. We sometimes take them in on trade, sometimes we buy them at the auction, and sometimes we buy them off the street directly from the customers. It's hard to find nice pre-owned vehicles, so we spend a lot of money marketing that we buy cars. We spend money with like Auto Trader, with their car buying program, as well as True Cars auto buying program, just putting information out there, encouraging people looking to sell their cars to submit their vehicles, and we'll give them a range on it, or we'll give them a value if they want to bring it in. And that's how we acquired this one. We purchased it directly off the street. A couple had it. They didn't drive too much. The husband was a pilot, so really low miles. They didn't need the vehicle, so we happily acquired this one. That's how we got this one. And with 15,833 miles, this thing is in absolutely beautiful condition. Hardly a mark on it. Very, very well cared for. We have the original build sheet on this one. Okay, so the original MSRP was $61,505. This is a Q745, so this is equipped with the 2-liter turbocharged engine. There are a couple different engines available, a 2-liter turbocharged engine, what this one has, and a larger V6. The V6 definitely has more power, but with the 2-liter, it still makes 250 horsepower, 0 to 60 right around 7 seconds. It's not as quick as the V6, but it's still very quick in its own right. So if you're not an all-out speed demon, I think you'll be more than happy with this engine. It has plenty of power, and it's relatively fuel efficient. 19 city, 25 highway, it'll average right around 21. This one has a lot of standard equipment on it. This does have the optional Premium Plus package, which was additional $3,350, bundling in a little bit extra features like the Audi phone box with wireless charging and signal booster, Audi side assist with pre-sense rear cross traffic assist and vehicle exit warning, heated auto dimming power folding exterior mirrors with memory, LED lighting package, Bose 3D sound system, Audi Virtual Cockpit, LED headlights, daytime running lights, and LED taillights, and a top view camera system. This has the upgraded 19-inch V-spoke design wheels. That was $1,000. Then this has a cold weather package that was $750, giving you a heated steering wheel and heated rear seats. And then all-weather black rubber floor mats with the Q7 logos. Then we have the touring package that was $650. Audi beam rings, $450. Cargo cover, $310. That's the majority of the optional equipment. We have a complimentary copy of this build sheet available on our website on the vehicle listing page if you want to peruse this yourself. Beautiful color combination in white on black leather. We have a big panoramic roof to allow lots of natural light inside. It opens. Beautiful day today. And then if it gets too bright out, which we really don't have to worry about too much now, we're in a nice shady spot under this tree, but if it does get too bright out, you have a power sunshade to dim things down. We'll leave that open. A lovely wood interior trim, power and heated front seats, dual zone auto climate control. We have a navigation system, rear parking camera, then you can change the camera views as well. There's a nice overhead view. Great for low speed maneuvering. Obviously, on these crossovers with the B and C pillars and headrests, visibility can be kind of tough, so those around view cameras really help your situational awareness. Nice leather up steering wheel. Then we have Audi's Virtual Cockpit, which is pretty cool. You can kind of configure the gauges. You can actually have the navigation screen right in the gauge cluster. You can make the gauges bigger or smaller. Pretty easy. Just mess around with it and you'll find a setting that you like. Heated steering wheel. Great sounding Bose audio system. This one, as mentioned, has the optional all-season mats. This thing looks fantastic in white. Nice styling. It kind of follows that same design theme we see throughout the Audi product line. It's kind of like that German understated styling. Very nice and elegant, but not kind of over the top or in your face like some other brands. There's a fantastic turbocharged underneath that plastic engine cover. That 2-liter engine's an engine used in a wide variety of Audi products as well as Volkswagen. Audi is Volkswagen's luxury division. This thing is in Well, I can't get over how nice this thing is. But obviously at 15,000 miles, it's going to be in nice shape. But this thing, even for 15,000 miles, some cars, especially vehicles like this, which kind of are family vehicles, they can have a little bit of wear and tear. But this thing, like I said, it hardly has a mark on it. It's in beautiful shape. This one has the optional, well, it's not optional, but this one has third row seats, which are power folding. This is in the down position. We have all this stuff back there, so we can't put the third row seats up. We have rear climate control, rear outbound heated seats for the second row. Nice styling on the rear. We have a tow hitch as well. Power rear liftgate. So we have a nice cargo area cover that is removable. We have a cargo area protector. We have kind of like this thing you can put in the windshield to cut down on the heat. And we have a car cover. Obviously people who do have the trouble of putting a car cover on the car, you probably know they're pretty OCD about keeping the cars in nice condition. So if you want to have a beautiful example of a pre-owned Q7 and you're looking for one that's a little bit older, 2019, 2020, this one should definitely be on your list if it's still available. Great vehicle, great for families with its spacious third row seating, but it's still very nimble and fun to drive. Audi makes their vehicles very fun to drive, and the Q7 is no exception, even with a smaller engine. It's a fantastic product. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.